Hi guys. No. Okay, we're starting our walk from here. What building is this one? The green one. Let's walk. Just right next to the street, but I also want to get into that pavement because I don't like the music that is playing there. Let's check. I think we need also to jump down there. Actually need to go. Let's go down. Let's navigate the streets here, guys. Walk Africa, yeah. Subscribe. So we're exploring downtown of Pretoria. Okay, let's just explore these streets. I don't know what it is. I've never been here, but we need to see what's happening in this street. So you guys, you can decide on your own. The thing is, I can't do these streets in one day. I can't do these streets same time. So I'll be doing these streets one at a time, and then you'll find these streets on my channel, and then you familiarize yourself with the streets of Pretoria through this channel. You need to jump here. It says walk and it's a red there, so let's walk. But don't just trust the robot, you guys. Don't do that. Some other crazy drivers there who would try to beat the robot and they'll get straight into you. So when you cross the robot, don't just tell yourself you're right, you're on the right of way. You must look both sides before you cross. It's very important. So this is National Zoology Garden. Maybe one day we'll come and do a video here. It's National Zoology Garden. I think you've heard of this place many times. There's National Zoology Garden here in Pretoria. From there. So we are taking our walk going down these vlogs on a rainy day, and there are things that we're supposed to be seeing, but unfortunately we can't because it's closed. It's not closed actually, but it's all plastics. They've covered their stuff with the plastics, so it's not much that you can see. It's the National Zoology. It's things that you can really come and buy. Traditional stuff. See that? That's traditional stuff here. Isn't it? That's all traditional stuff in there. Let's go down. You see the patterns of how these cars, these vehicles, these taxis, I mean, travels, how they beep, the sounds and all that. How different. In different cities, in different towns, in different locations. Because in some other videos I've been showing you that they don't have this mode of transport. They do have, they use Ventures. Yeah, Venture is quite a strong car, strong old car. Let's jump. Some other cities, some other, I mean, locations, not cities, even cities as well. So actually, I've never used this road, this street here, going downtown. This street will also take you to Morobastat, I think. Yes, not I think. It will take you to Morobastat. A young one helping his mother pushing the trolley. It's a done day. They've been busy, at least I think, obviously. So this entrance one is for, what is this? So this business area is a company, builders. I don't know what they're doing there. The pavement, it's not good yet, but let's just go ahead. Maybe it was only this portion. I was thinking maybe the pavement is, because looking by this, that place we passed, that area that we passed, but anyway, it's not like that here. I'm sorry if I'm walking fast, just because I try to cover as much area possible so that you can see much area in within a space of less time of my video. Because if I post a 20 minutes video or a 10 minute video, whether it's a 40 minutes video, it's worth it, because it will be having everything, be having more more sceneries, more views that would have. I mean, when I mean more views, I don't mean the views of you watching the video, but I mean the scenery, the scenes along the way. So can you see the Pretoria city that we are just leaving? Because here it's just downtown and it's really like less vibe, but what's important is getting to know this place, right? So let's just carry on with the walk. It's not really less vibe, it's just I always make it a point that when I'm walking in any area, I want to know who's walking next to me, who's not walking behind me, and who's walking in front of me. You know, I want to like just memorize those people. It's like I want to memorize about 4 people: the one in front of me, the one on my other side, the other on my side, left and right, and the one who's at my back. How do I memorize them? I just check with their clothing. All right, so if I'm like I've been walking a certain distance, keep on checking. If I see same clothes after such a long walk, not even a walk, after a while, and you know, I'll kind of a little bit slow my speed, wait a little moment, as if I'm just looking at something, you know, and then after that, then I start walking again. So what happens is, I'll walk a while again, I'll check, do I still see the same guys, the same people with the same clothing? It doesn't matter it's a woman or it's so many decoys. So if I see same people, then that gives me a reason to worry. I need to take a wheel. And how am I gonna do that? There's no toilet here. I think the toilet is full. There is another shopping mall there. It's Belle on the plaza. It's another street. I've never been in this street before. Really first time I think. Never walked here. Just passed maybe with driving or being driven. What? Yeah. Some shops there. Can you see? Can you see the Pretoria CBD behind me? So this is completely downtown. But I've never been in this street. Hello, Mama. So guys, I don't know, but we are growing. Tell your mother, your father, your son, your daughter, because there are so many people who are watching here. There are older people, younger people, because of the type of content that I create is for nearly, you know, nearly everyone, with the exception of maybe young one, but they can still also watch. Yeah. So guys, make sure you subscribe and hit your notification icon on so that you get notified when I post a new video. That's what's important about getting your notification on. So that's it guys, bye for now.